Okay. So, there's the first of the units. Back up a little bit more here.
Grab those dollies or just stop them?
Standing way out of the way, that's for sure. Okay, we're going to lower it down.
Want to try to go to the far one? Might be able to make it to the far one. Close. About 10 foot off right now. About 10 foot from that far one.
Ah yes, these are always the moments of truth.
Finish in line.
What about the top of the building?
How much further your way? Go out 5 feet. 5 more foot? Is that it? Okay, just let her down. Is that all she's got? Yeah. Okay. Should I get those dollies, Brian? Not yet.
Okay. Phase 1 here. This is very exciting.
You gotta get the bottom hands off of there. These guys?
Stand by for the next segment.